busy setting up. Aussie red zone, Swiss green zone, wanna be short. I've got the level tested. I think this is the one I showed you yesterday also. Now this morning it tested, now busy making a bearish engulfing. So a strong, nice candle reversal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Wednesday, 9 October 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the US dollar, the Swiss and the CAD, and short on the yen, the New Zealand and the Aussie dollar. Dollar index keep pushing. As I've said yesterday morning, small real bodies like this shows us that the bulls are just resting a little bit, or a little bit of profit taking, accumulation. And if this can push up now to a new high, the next stop would be that area up there, and also the moving averages. So I'm still very dollar bullish at this stage. Short-term indicator just turned bullish last week, so I'm now really into the longs on the dollar. And also if you look at my intraday indicator, you'll see dollar is strong. Nothing stopping it. It's outperforming all the markets. It's got all the sparkle, and at this stage the yen and the New Zealand are bottom of the pile. But if I go to gold now breaking down this sideways range of 2 weeks and more. And with a strong dollar, that was the direction I was expecting it to go. It doesn't always do that, but that's what's supposed to happen. So retracement back to the 61% level, right? The structure coming in there will also be the retest of the small triangle that we spotted. So a retest up there, that'll get me very much interested in shorting gold. Not that I will do it in person, but I've got some crazy clients on my website that do short gold. When we look at Bitcoin after the nice run up the page, long upper shadow, little black candle there. Yesterday, all cryptocurrencies quite flat, small bodies, small shadows even. So market's waiting for something. It's very frustrating not getting the runs that we're after, but patience is key. As I always say, if you are in doubt, just scroll out and see what happens. So this time we're still in this bull trend, big consolidation. Remember, the bigger the consolidation, the more explosive the move afterwards. So yes, I know it's frustrating, sitting now for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's the 8th month now. We had a few years ago 18 months sideways range. So it is frustrating, but the longer the sideways range or the consolidation, the more explosive the move afterwards. So don't lose interest, don't screw it up, don't go and exit your trades. Hold on tight. Aussie Swiss busy setting up. Aussie red zone, Swiss green zone, wanna be short. I've got the level tested. I think this is the one I showed you yesterday also. Now this morning it tested, now busy making a bearish engulfing. So a strong, nice candle reversal. We still have 2.5 hours or 2 hours and 45 minutes left before the close of the bar. But definitely come back to this one on the close of this bar and see. If it closes below like this, then definitely it's a short coming up, and a nice bearish engulfing would be very great for us on the Aussie Swiss. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Indices. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Brent oil on the daily charts, nice swing up the page, brand new trend kicking in. Run up the page, retracement back to the 50-60% zone here. Structure there. This is the area I'm going to look for some longs. Now it's an end of day chart, so most likely I won't enter anything until I get an end of day candle. But just to show you what is on my watch list for the morning. Then the US yen missed the level we wanted to trade long there yesterday, and a nice run up the page, retracement needed. I'm still interested in this level. US all the sparkle, yen almost bottom of the pile, so they're fighting with the New Zealand, so it's pretty much at the bottom. But this is something I'm still very much interested in. So I retest there, maybe break that lows just a little bit, running the stops, and the candle reversal from there, that will get me to go long. Euro US still the same as yesterday. Euro neutral. I want to be long dollar, and by shorting the Euro US, I will get that long on the dollar. So, but I need a retest. I'm not going to try it in the sideways range. I need a retest, 61% FIP, structure, candle reversal. I'll then look for some shorts. You know, the CAD green zone, yen red zone, want to be long here, but we'll have to wait. This big swing coming in here. retracement back to structure here between 50 and 61% level. That's the area I'm going to look for. So I would like to see maybe an ABC correction down here, and then when I get a reversal there, I'll then consider some long trades. Then the New Zealand CAD, big drop down the page. I need a retracement. Started yesterday but didn't go all the way. So a retracement back to 61%, that's what I want. I'm not saying it will, I say if it goes there. New Zealand bottom of the pile, CAD green zone, so definitely want to be short here, but I'm needing a retracement. Then the Swiss yen, also up there in a very sideways range. I'm not interested. Swiss green zone, yes. Yen red zone, I want to be long here, but not up there. So I'm going to wait patiently for a retracement back to this trade zone here, and then I will work from there. Once it tested and I see a nice counter reversal, I'll then consider some longs. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.